Hey, hi, this is Kumar from Slang Labs, and today I want to be able to share with you some of the things that we've been working on in this whole new brave world that we're all living in, right? I'm sure all of you are experiencing what is happening around us, and I want to share what we have been working on, right? So let us give a quick history of how things have evolved in the area of voice assistants inside e-commerce apps, right? So that's the area that we are now focusing on. So this is your traditional a voice search experience that a lot of apps have added, and this is how it will typically look like. There's a mic button in your search bar. You click. Oh, sometimes it doesn't click. Hey, can you show me some mangoes? Oops. It searches. The moment you start to have anything like a conversational style, it doesn't really work, right? Because the search is very, very simplistic. It's simple voice to text that just tries to search with whatever keywords you provide and completely confuses the search engine that is powering it underneath it. Right? So that's the old generation. So this is examples of our customers who use voice inside their app and to be able to now perform similar searches, but it starts to be more smarter. Hey, do you have some mangoes? Right? As you saw that it worked, right? It was able to now recognize this conversation. It has got the correct keyword and able to now fire. But if you ask it to do more things than this, it would not really work, right? If I ask things like, how can I make egg burji?
Looking up an egg burji.
Right? So now it starts to break logic, right? It is now, the level of conversational power that was there is very, very limited, even with our current generation products. So this is a thing that we have done on top of an existing popular e-commerce app. It's not a native integration. This is just to be able to now demonstrate the power. They are not really our customers, but we've been able to now show that how we can make the experience on top of any e-commerce app so much more powerful, so much more better, right? Let's take this. So now this is our voice assistant that has now been added to it. So now click here.
Welcome back. Go ahead and ask me anything related to groceries and recipes.
Hey, can you show me how to make egg burji?
Let me look up the ingredients for egg burji.
Look at that, right? So it got that. It showed the list of all the things that is needed to be able to now make egg burji. Now, the first thing is already searched. Okay, fine. I want to add this. So I think I click on onions. It quickly looks up the second one. Oh, which onion do I want? Oh, I want the white one. Let me click here. Oh, I need green chilies also. Click on green chilies. Scroll through. Add which one do I really want? Oh, this sounds like interesting. Okay, let me click here. And then click on, oh, ginger. Let's do this, right? Let's just search one last thing. Now before you add ginger, now you're not sure about if ginger is something good. You want to ask some more questions about ginger, right? Before you add this item to cart. So you click on this. Are there any allergic side effects on this?
No. There are no known allergic side effects associated with this product.
Okay, so it was now able to now give me that additional information too, right? So because it's now helping me to make all my decisions. It's completely sitting with me. It's not forcing me into anything, but it's just being able to now give me all kind of information that I want. Okay, great. Now I want to be able to now do this. So now I'm now a little curious. Now I'm now tempted, but I've not done e-commerce shopping before. I'm a little worried. What can I buy it? What happens if I buy it? Will I be able to now return it? What is the policy, right? Like I want to know a little bit more about this company. What is your return policy?
We have a no questions asked return and refund policy, which entitles all our members to return the product at the time of delivery if they are not satisfied. We will issue a credit note for the value of the returned products.
Okay, now that gave me a little bit of assurance. Now I know I can do this, but still I'm a little queried. But in how many days should I return?
You can return the product within 7 days of delivery. Please refer to our return policy for more details.
Right. So now instead of me having to wade through so much of information, this is giving me like a quick crisp summary and very contextual, right? It felt so much more natural to be able to now do this. So all of this I'm able to now do without breaking the flow of the transaction, right? It is all right there. I could keep coming back to my transaction. I could keep executing whatever I want. Now, this is what we present to you as our Copilot, right? So Copilot for e-commerce shoppers to be able to now help you perform your transactions naturally and to be able to now get them to lead them to what they need to get done without getting distracted by anything else out there. Hope you guys liked it.